Students, welcome to Class Day Geometry students on this 7th of April on Thursday. Hope you guys are ready to do some work today. Please listen carefully to these announcements. You're responsible for what I say. First of all, there will be a quiz tomorrow, so please keep that in mind and please be ready for your quiz. At this time, please turn your homework in from Tuesday, okay? That was given to you on Tuesday. It is due today. Please make sure your name is on it and turn that in. In fact, not to embarrass, but just to communicate well, everyone's turned that in except Haley. So Haley Harmon, if you have that, please turn that in, okay? Thank you. Incompletes. Let's see what we have here. Lydia, you probably took the quiz. So if you did, please don't get all worried about it. More than likely you took it in study hall, and it probably got put in my box late. I actually picked my papers up a little early yesterday. So if I don't find it in my papers tonight, then I will let you know. But you probably took it, so I'm not worried about that. This was given on Monday. I've yet to get this from Tyler or Haley. So please get this turned in by Friday, or it will become a permanent zero. Moving on. Today we're going to be going over your quiz 20. It's not 21. It should be 20. We'll talk about that in a second. And also we're going to work on the mid-chapter review. The mid-chapter review is a great chance for you to see how well you understand what has been covered so far in this chapter. Please work hard. The mid-chapter review is 552, numbers 1 through 20. There's the name of it. It's about 30 minutes long. The quiz video is about 15 minutes long, okay? Now notice it says Geometry Track 1, quiz number 20, corrections. Also up here I have quiz number 20. If you'll look at your quiz, it says quiz 21 up top. Please change the number at the top of your quizzes right now. Cross off or scribble off the 21. Scribble off and make it a 20. That is incorrect. That was your quiz number 20. The one you guys took earlier this week was quiz 21. Okay? Now here are the stats for that quiz. Please listen carefully. The first mistake you made was 1 point off. The second mistake you made was 5 points off. Every mistake thereafter was 9 points off. So if you made 5 mistakes on your quiz, it was 1 point off. Then 5 more points off. And then for the last 3 mistakes, 27 points. 3 times 9 is 27. So you would have a 67. Okay? So please check my work if you want to. There were a lot of A's, 6 or 7 A's out of the class. That's a lot. The highest grade was Alex. He had a perfect quiz with the 100. There were some 99s though, some 94s, some good grades, okay? So by far there were only a couple F's in the class, so really good job on the quiz, guys. Your quiz 21 is on second word. Now that's the one you took on Tuesday, okay? I graded that already. It's on Sycamore. There were all 100s except for 2 people. There were 2 85s and then all 100s. So congratulations, great job on that quiz, and you'll get those passed back probably tomorrow. But they are on Sycamore if you want to look them up. Now, here's what's on your quiz tomorrow. Let me grab my handy dandy lesson plans. Let me take a look at this. Okay. Your quiz tomorrow covers anything from lesson 11.3. That's the area of trapezoids, rhombi, kites. Okay? That's Tuesday's video. That's the homework, page 549, 6 through 22, and 25, and 26, and 29 through 31. Okay? So, that is what your quiz is over tomorrow. Any problems from lesson 11.3's homework would be fair game. That's all for today, students. Please get to work on your... Oh, I'm sorry, Miss Carol. I do want you to play the quiz correction video first. And students, are you listening? I want you to turn your quizzes back into me. I want you, this is one of these rare times I'm making you do this. I want you to go through on your quiz and make corrections on every problem that you missed. Every problem that you missed, make corrections, and then when the video's over, Miss Carol, if you'll go ahead and collect those and turn those back in so I can make sure the students did that. So first thing I want you to do is watch the questions on their quizzes and then turn those back in, not for any points on your quiz, but for like a homework grade. And then after that, start the